scheduled for one fall. With a 15-minute time limit. 15-minute time limit. First, the team of Zoya, Roxy, and the Pinoy Wrestling Champion, May Max.
Sir, baliktad yung bench, sir. This is our main event of the evening.
Wait, what? 20? Oh. All right. Oh, man, sorry about that. It's a 20-minute time limit. Ooh. Man, I'm getting confused, man.
Maraming nangyari.
This is the first time we're
Itong live stream na to parang yung birthday sa Shakey's. Hindi mo maintindihan nangyari kasi marami nangyari. Pero ganun ka-intense ang labanan dito sa ating live stream. Sa ating Puso Wrestling YouTube channel.
This is the first time we are implementing the time limits. We're still ironing out the details. But for the main event, it's 20 minutes.
We have Super Friends, Trisha Ligaya, Super P, and Elga Tiponero laban kay Joya, Roxy, and our champion, Main Max. Ngayon, si Super P sa Facebook, nag-comment siya dun sa post. Sabi, ang OP daw nung kalaban nila, si Joya, si Main Max.
Yeah, that's true, that's true.
Paano sila magiging OP? Kayo nga, super. Diba?
Yeah.
Kasi ang kalaban lang naman nila, yung pwersang Pinay Gauntlet winner si Joya. Si Main Max, yung ating pusong Pinoy wrestling champion.
Yeah, and
saka si Roxy from Dubai.
Yeah, our honored guest from WrestleFest at DXB.
So, ayun, OP nga sila. OP nga sila, sorry Super P. Pinagdadaan kita, pero ayan.
Snappy drop kick by Roxy, but single leg drop kick of her own.
Trisha Ligaya and Roxy starting off this match.
Whoa.
Kala ko muna si Roxy, dito pala si Roxy, no?
Okay. I guess it makes sense na 20 minutes kasi 6-person tag team.
Yes. Dapat mas may focus. Hey, Joya! Going in this match. Man, ba't ka pumasok? Hindi ka naman tinatag. Parehong suplex.
In-announce ko 6-man pero 2/3 of the competitors in the ring right now are women.
6-person tag match.
Yeah.
Now, Roxy. Leg takedown. Leg drop sa gut. Now Roxy tagging in our pwersang Pinay Gauntlet winner, Joya. Bagong kulay ang buhok. Apoy na apoy.
Oh, man.
Sakto.
Yeah, fired up for the new year, for 2025.
Happy New Year! Now, Super P and Joya exchanging holds.
Yeah, Super P was also in Singapore last year, last month.
Hindi, last year din yun. Kasi
last year din technically.
Tama lang. Joya, forearms kay Super P sa dibdib. Unang ugosi. Alam ko marami pang ugosi, kaya unang ugosi ngayong laban na ito. Feel ko lahat iugosi ni Joya.
Oh, man.
Super P, Patricia Ligaya, Elga Tiponero, yung referee mamaya iugosi ni Joya. Pati ako iugosi ni Joya. Kaya pag si Joya lumabas ng ring, tatakbo na ako. Mr. Sunny Go, pasensya na. Safety measures lang.
Yeah. That's understandable. She's gonna take everyone for a spin.
Yes, sir. And now, Super P. Hey! Joya, nakaiwas sa sipa ni Super P. Joya with roll up. 2 bilang.
Yeah, that was a close call, but now Joya running the ship. That was tricky by
nice hand ni Super P si Joya. Here's the pin. 2 count lang.
Bulldog.
Ow. Only gets a 2 count.
Cute pin by Super P.
Now remember, sa laban na to, Mr. Zani, nandito yung #1 contender para sa championship and ang champion mismo. Kaya paano kaya mangyayari sa laban na to? No?
Yeah,
sneak peek ba? Ito ba yung sneak peek?
Yeah, it could be.
Ito na,
Yeah,
ang
there
number
it
1
is.
contender. Speaking of, El Katipunero.
Oh, nice maneuver by El Katipunero.
Snapmare. Wala kay El Katipunero. Heart pa eh, pagpipin. Pero 2 counts
He's
lang.
looking right at main Max.
Yes, sir. Sabi ni, Ugoshi.
Oh.
Pangalawang Ugoshi. Pangatlong Ugoshi. Pang-apat na Ugoshi.
The hat trick.
Ito mga nasa gilid, dumanda kayo mamaya.
Oh, and here we are, the champion
And here we
himself.
go.
And he's wearing the
Sir, sir.
belt.
Yung belt, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, this is not a no disqualification match, so
Pero,
that is counted as a weapon.
Ganun talaga pag champion, sanay kang suot yung belt.
Oh,
bilang
man.
representative nito ng ating...
Kahit natutulog, nakasuot yung belt.
yes, sir.
Kahit naliligo.
Corporate meeting. Sir, ano yan? Ito po yung aking championship belt. Ito ba ay sneak peek? Number 1 contender, El Katipunero, and our champion, Main Max.
Yeah,
Maglalaban sa ring.
El Katipunero has been preparing to face main Max.
And remember, sila rin yung unang nagharap ng first round ng championship tournament. Mag-iiba ba ang magiging result pag naglaban na sila for the title?
Oh, this is gonna be a triple team
Ay, friendship
maneuver
daw. Ay,
here.
nagtatawag ng friendship. Ay, kakampi nyo yan.
Even the referee Dante Gino.
Ano nangyari? Rep!
I don't know what the hell's going on.
Ito na ba ang ritual ng Super Friends?
Ring around the rosy.
Sus
Oh,
Mariosep. Triple elbow.
yeah, aided by referee and and their 2 other opponents. They built up speed there, so the champion took the brunt of that
Yun ata
maneuver.
yung Mega Friends. Ang sinasabi ni Super P. Titipunin nila lahat ng friends na pwedeng maitipon.
Ooh, hidden blade by the champ.
Now, Main Max in control kay El Katipunero. Body slam, yes sir!
Even if this is...
Pinapapasok ni Main Max. Sir, ito tagpo yan, sir. Ay, hindi!
Oh, wait a minute. Oh! Ooh! Right on.
Ay! Main Max, ginagawang weapon ang kanyang mga kakampi.
Ooh! Oh,
Pati na mo, pinalabas na.
triple the impact.
Pero magandang strategy yun.
Bad for your back, though.
Now, Main Max in control of El Katipunero. Bringing sa corner. El Katipunero on the second rope.
Oh, well
Alam ni
scouted.
Main Max ang gagawin ni El Katipunero.
He has been watching tape throughout the holidays. Even though he was celebrating his championship win,
Yes, sir.
he was not keeping his eye off the ball.
Grind pa rin. Meteora! Corner Meteora mula kay Joya. And now, Joya tagging in Roxy. Roxy, tutulungan ni Main Max.
Oh,
Meteora
Meteora of her own.
O, si Max naman daw. Roxy tagging in Joya. Pero mukhang si Max naman ang mag-Meteora. Main Max running! Meteora!
Oh!
Big boy Meteora!
Oh, man. Poor El Katipunero. I don't think he knows where he is right now.
Now, Main Max going back into the match. Huwag ka mag-alala, El Katipunero. Sa laban yung dalawa. Dalawa lang kayo.
Jumping Sobat by Main Max.
Now, both men are trading forearms across the chest.
They're able to scout each other out here.
Dinagukan sa likod.
May not be the most important match of the year right now, but this could be consequential as they're learning each other's strengths and weaknesses right here.
Gut kick mula kay Main Max. Isang matinding chop. Anong ginagawa? Anong nangyari? Ay, friendship
what's
daw, sabi ni Main Max.
Oh, then...
Ay!
Oh,
Ay, ano nangyari?
sneaky.
Lumaki si El Katipunero, naging Super P. Para silang Autobots. Double drop
Oh!
kick.
Together, they form Voltron.
Nag-bolt in yung Super Friends. Now,
Gotta get the
El Katipunero.
tag.
Yes, sir. El Gato trying to reach for Patricia, and Main Max trying to reach
Almost
for
there.
Joya. And now
Oh.
both men tag in their respective partners.
Oh! Oh! Patricia Ligaya.
Roxy pumasok din.
Red hot.
Red hot pero kulay green at pink. Ang dami nilang ball in.
Oh, wait a minute. What's this? We've never
Hey.
seen this one before. Oh! Oh! Using momentum here and inertia,
Hey,
bending the laws of physics into their favor.
hinagis
Oh.
ni Trisha and Super P. Ang dami nilang ball in. Ba't ganun?
Oh man, they've been coming up with new tag
Oy,
team
ito na.
maneuvers.
Ito na ba ang friendship bomb? Hindi.
Oh,
Ay!
wait a minute. Oh,
Jaw breaker
countered
mula
by
kay
Joya.
El Gatipunero.
And now Main Max. Oh! Double
Pinagtugtog
noggin
dalawa.
knocker.
Roxy,
Roxy
second rope.
getting to the top. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, tornado DDT.
And Joya. 10
Oh, we're
minutes,
halfway.
half past. On this match, we're halfway. Corner hip attack.
But doesn't look like it's going to
Corner
last much
meteora.
longer.
Joya now going for a pin. Only gets a 2 count.
But still, the damage is already piling up.
Yes,
and
sir.
the fatigue. I'm starting to see it right now.
Hey, discuss lariat. Hey, Main Max breaking up the pin.
The champ with the save.
Hey, trying to choke.
Oh.
Hey,
Backpack. Sleeper hold by El Cap. Oh!
hey, hey, nagtap.
And here's your winner by the way of submission, the team of Joya, Roxy, and Main Max.
Main Max, may El Gatipunero ka sa likod mo.
El Catiponero still hanging on.
Sir, tapos na yung laban, sir.
Yeah, but unfortunately, the legal competitor at that point was Joya, and she got the triangle choke, and there's the Puersang Pinay medal.
There are your winners. Roxy, Joya, and our champion, Main Max.
And proudly putting back on the Pusong Pinoy Wrestling
Friendship,
Championship
friendship.
belt.
Hey, friendship!
Yay, friendship, sportsmanship. Even though the Super Friends are gonna have to lick their wounds here. And that is it for tonight's live stream show. Thank you very much, Pusoverse, for joining us.